Installing the wireless module into the 240-volt Voltex smoke alarm. If the unit has already been installed, disconnect mains power by opening the unit using the button marked push. Remove the dummy module and replace it with a wireless module. Remove the battery strip. If a network is detected but not paired, the alarm will chirp 3 times and the red LED will flash twice every 8 seconds. If a module is detected and paired correctly, the red LED will extinguish after 8 seconds and the unit will chirp briefly. If the battery has already been connected before installing the wireless module, disconnect the battery. Remove the dummy module and replace with the wireless module. Press the test button a few times. Reconnect the battery, observing the correct polarity. The red LED flashing indicates that the unit is searching for a wireless connection. This can take up to 8 seconds.